Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, in the following summation, what are the values of x and y? And we have given 4y plus x9 is 8x. Here, we observe that y equals to 4. So that 4 plus 9 or 9 plus 4 is 13. Now, putting 3 at one's place, and carry over 1. To tens place, that is 4. So that x equals to 3. So we get here 3 plus 4 plus 1 is 8. Here we can verify. 4, y is 4 plus, we supposed x is 3 and here 9. So 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 carry over. 4 plus 4 is 8. Hence, x equals to 3 and y equals to 4.